Ever felt like job hunting is like searching for a needle in a haystack? We all know the struggle, the countless applications, the waiting, the rejections. But what if there was a way to streamline this process? Well, worry no more. We have a solution to make your job hunt more effective and less stressful. Firstly, understand your goals. What kind of job are you looking for and why? Recognizing the importance of having clear career objectives is crucial. Consider jotting down desired job positions, industries, and companies. With a clear goal in mind, you can direct your job search more efficiently. Secondly, your resume isn't one size fits all. It's vital to tailor it to each job application. Highlighting skills and experiences that match the job description is crucial. Show employers you're the perfect fit. A customized resume can significantly increase your chances of landing an interview. Thirdly, remember that your network is a goldmine. It's not just about who you know, but who they know. Reach out, start conversations. You never know where a potential job opportunity might be hiding. A strong network can open doors to opportunities that you might not find on job boards. Lastly, don't forget to follow up. This simple act can make a world of difference. It demonstrates your interest and commitment to the role. Be respectful yet persistent. A polite email or call can keep you fresh in the employer's mind. Following up can show your enthusiasm and keep you on the employer's radar. So to recap our guide to a more effective job hunt, begin by understanding your goals, then tailor your resume to each opportunity. Don't forget to leverage your network and always follow up on applications. Remember, job hunting is a process. Stay motivated and you'll find the right job for you. For more videos, check out Quick Learn Hub's YouTube channel.